Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a Gothic Halloween journal, and I've used the new kit from ARTYmaze, which I will link below. I don't normally do Halloween, but this one has just actually got me. I think it's because it's more Gothic than it is like kind of pumpkins and things like that, although I do like pumpkins, but this is just a little bit more on the dark side for me. So anyway, I have recycled a box to make this journal. It is similar to, if you notice, last week I think it was, I used one of these frames, but I kept it in the natural wood. This one I actually embossed, and it's like a silvery grey colour. Don't know if you can pick that up. And I've done the layers here of this is cardboard, and then obviously you can see that's a corrugated cardboard, the word Halloween. It measures 7 by 4 1/4, has a 2-inch spine, 3 signatures, 80 pages front and back. The middle signature is just a blank writing signature. So this is the paper that I used for the cover, and everything apart from some pages that are just like ephemera pages are all from the kit, and I stitched around the cover on this one. So let's go inside, just double checking I'm in frame. Okay, so on the inside covers I've made my little like multi-pocket pocket. It's a multi-pocket pocket, and we've got these tags inside there, all from the kit. And then this, I've added this, you get lots of little words and embellishments with the kit, so I added this, the word toxic on that page there. I have made some pockets using the background papers from the kit as well, and then just done some stitching all around. The 31 here, the word silence, a tag from the kit. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Journal card from the kit. And this is from the old design shop. Then here we've got a little pocket and some ephemera, all from the kit, and that goes in there. Here I have used some of the tags, some of the journal cards, and some of the quotes and embellishments from the kit. So I've layered this tag up using this journal card and just added them and put on, I don't think I actually used the tabs from the kit, but I had one of the sheets printed out on cardstock, so I just used my tab punch and just punched out a load of tabs to use in there, and that I've literally just put that on. That's why it's just come away. I wasn't sure whether to add trim to it or not, but obviously I did. Journal space, this is from the actually that's from Bohemian Crafting. Then here I've again used one of the pages, and I used the edge punch from Martha Stewart on there. Got one of these journal cards with the spiders on there, and another journal card there. Actually that's a double journal card, and that goes in there. Done a little bit of stamping. You've got plenty of journal space. Some more trim here. This is a flip out, and I've actually left that open so that if you wanted to tuck things inside there you can, and that flips open as well, like so. Envelope from the kit. Obviously I've shrunk these down, and we've got some journal cards inside there. I think the pages I shrunk down to about 80%, I think, and the tags and things were, I think, about 85 and 90%. Pocket here, again I've just used the Martha Stewart punch to give me that edge. You can see that edge, I think. Some ephemera from the kit, a tag from the kit, and some journal space. Here we've got a little double pocket journal card, another spider, little tag from the kit that goes in there, and then we have 2 little tickets, and they just pop in there like so. Got another pocket that I made using one of the background pages, and a tag with the skull and a spider. So like I said, third signature is just coffee dyed papers, and you can do writing or you can decorate it, but that's the front, that's the back. I just popped on the word fragile there, and that's the same image that I've used on here. I think that was actually from one of the journal cards. Then here we've got another tag that I've layered up using some of the journal cards and the embellishments and quotes from the kit. And then 13, I actually thought, why 13? Then I thought, oh, you know, unlucky for some. 13, I wasn't thinking straight why the number 13 was in the kit. Now I know. Tag from the kit, the pocket, and I just added the skull and crossbones and the word toxic, raven there, another tag, and I just popped on the word fragile, some more lace trim, another pocket there, some stamping, oops, more stamping, centre of signature, some lacy trim, another one of these flip outs, and that again is opened like so, so if you wanted to tuck things in there you can. Envelope from the kit, and inside there we've got 2 journal cards with the bats. Actually it's that way, isn't it, because bats hang upside down. So that goes in there and that goes in there. And the paper clip is just, actually it's just up there to hold that shut. Then here we have another pocket, another layered tag here, and obviously just using one of the journal cards and then some of the quotes and words on there. And that is some of the ephemera from the kit. The word toxic and another tag. Again, this one's been layered up with the journal card, and again I punched these tabs out of one of the background pages. The word wicked and toxic, I like the way that's spelt. And here we have another little double pocket and some tickets. The raven, that reminds me, I've got the raven stamp, I'll have to look that out. And another journal card there, another double pocket with the journal card there and a tag in the background. I love that design. It's like a bit like damask, I think, poison. And then here we've got another one of these, so it's opened at the back as well. We've got a tag and another tag. So it's actually, you can do, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets on that. So you can have them however you want them. And then the back is just like so. Okay, so like I said, whoops, making a mess now. This will be listed in my shop. I do also have, my journals are on sale at the moment, and the sale ends the 5th of October. This is on sale. I will put a link to that below. And this is on sale as well, an autumn themed journal, and this was the one from yesterday, but I just thought I would mention that they're on sale for another day. Okay, so if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.